Hey DIYers, got a toilet that keeps running after you flush, or one that only stops if you jiggle the handle? That's not just annoying, it's wasting water and money. Today, I'll show you how to fix it for good by replacing both the fill valve and the flapper. It's an easy, affordable fix anyone can do, and it'll pay for itself in water savings. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Know your parts. Here's a quick overview. On the left, you've got the fill valve. That's what refills your tank after a flush. And down at the bottom, attached to the chain, is the flapper. This old setup uses a float bulb that's cracked, corroded, and just worn out. The adjustment screw's even broken off. I've tried tweaking it, but it just won't shut off properly anymore. Time to replace the whole setup and start fresh. Step 2. Shut off and drain. First things first. 1. Turn off the water supply, usually a quarter-turn valve near the floor. 2. Flush the toilet to empty most of the water. 3. Use a sponge or towel to soak up any remaining water in the tank. Step 4. Remove the old parts. Disconnect the water supply line from the fill valve. Most of the time you can loosen it by hand. Next, unscrew the nuts securing the fill valve underneath the tank and lift the whole valve out. While you're in there, clean out any buildup or grime, especially around the flapper seal area. Step 4. Install the new flapper. Start with the new flapper. Wipe down the sealing surface to make sure it's clean and smooth. Clip the new flapper onto the pegs at the base of the overflow tube. Then, attach the chain to the flush handle arm. Leave just a little slack so it opens and closes. Step 6. Reconnect and adjust. Reconnect your water supply line and slowly turn the water back on. Let the tank fill up and check the water level. It should sit about half to 1 inch below the top of the overflow tube. Use the adjustment knob on the fill valve to fine-tune the water height. Give it a few test flushes until everything feels just right. Outro. And that's it. No more jiggling the handle, no more running water, and no more wasted money. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY home repair tutorials. Got another plumbing problem? Tap the video on screen now for more step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.